Hi everybody! Let's see how a quality page and a quality badge work at LiveChat. These tools will boost your reliability and improve customer loyalty. With LiveChat, you can not only monitor your customer service results, but also show them to the world. Inside the app, you'll find a simple tool that lets you generate a quality page with just one click. The quality page is your personal landing page, showing your chat satisfaction and responsiveness. It contains your results from the last month, including the chat happiness rate, the total number of rated chats from the last 12 months, and the average response time. Show it to your customers, friends, or even your dentist. If your customer support is really good, you can also generate a special badge with your overall score and place it on your website. Our customers often place it in their footer or in their customer service page. The quality badge is an exclusive proof of the top-notch customer service. It's granted only to customers with the highest chat satisfaction rate based on the last month data. Don't be shy and spread the good news about your great customer service.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch another video because nothing is more important than growing your store. Don't forget to subscribe so that you're the first to receive notifications before your competition. Growing your site and increasing conversions takes time. You can never replace your time. Get it right the first time. For more WooCommerce growth, don't leave without clicking subscribe to WooCamp.